Hi, today we are making quick sautéed Mexican chicken fajitas, juicy strips of chicken with peppers, onion, lime, and warm corn tortillas. This recipe is perfect when you want a colorful dinner with big flavor and very little fuss. It serves 4 people and takes about 25 minutes from start to finish. 1 pound of boneless skinless chicken breast starts our ingredient tour. Slice it thin so this quick Mexican sauté cooks fast and stays tender. 2 bell peppers, 1 red and 1 green, bring sweetness, crunch, and the bright color that makes fajitas so appealing. 1 medium white onion adds a classic Mexican base flavor and becomes sweet as it softens in the hot skillet. 2 garlic cloves give the filling a warm aroma. Mince them small so they perfume the pan without burning. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil help the chicken brown and keep the peppers glossy while they sauté. 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice brighten the chicken and balance the spices with clean acidity. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin brings earthy warmth, the flavor that makes the chicken taste deeply savory. 1 teaspoon of Mexican chili powder adds gentle heat, red color, and the familiar fajita-style seasoning. 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano gives a herbal note that ties the lime, cumin, and chili together. 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt seasons the chicken and vegetables so every bite tastes complete. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper adds a small sharp finish without taking over the fresh flavors. 8 corn tortillas are the classic base, soft enough to fold around the hot fajita filling. 1/4 cup of chopped fresh cilantro finishes the fajitas with freshness and a bright green aroma. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Slice 1 pound of chicken breast into thin strips, then slice 2 bell peppers and 1 medium white onion, and mince 2 garlic cloves so everything is ready for the hot pan. Now that the slicing is done, place the chicken in the clear glass bowl and toss it with 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of Mexican chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in the carbon steel skillet over medium-high heat for 1 minute, just until the oil looks glossy and ready to sear. Add the seasoned chicken in one even layer and sauté for 4 to 5 minutes, stirring now and then, until the strips are opaque and lightly browned around the edges. Once the chicken has color, transfer it to the matte cream plate and keep the skillet on the heat, because the vegetables will use that flavorful surface next. Add the remaining 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil to the same skillet, letting it spread over the browned bits left from the chicken. Now add the sliced onion and the 2 sliced bell peppers, then sauté for 4 minutes, stirring often, until they are crisp tender and lightly charred in a few spots. When the vegetables have softened, add the 2 minced garlic cloves and sauté for 30 seconds, just until the garlic smells fragrant. Return the chicken and any juices to the skillet, then sauté everything together for 2 minutes, until the chicken is fully cooked and reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Sprinkle in 1/4 cup of chopped fresh cilantro and toss for 30 seconds, so the herb stays bright while it perfumes the hot filling. With the filling ready, warm 8 corn tortillas in the skillet for 20 seconds per side, working in batches if needed, until they are soft and flexible. Fill the warm tortillas with the chicken, peppers, and onion mixture, then arrange them neatly on the plate. The fajitas are ready to enjoy. And there you have quick sautéed Mexican chicken fajitas, colorful, juicy, and ready in the time promised. Serve them hot while the tortillas are soft and the peppers are still glossy. If you enjoyed this recipe, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell for more easy meals.